OMG Nation. One of my favorite things to do is to bring you guys something that I believe will be useful to you. Use my platform to give you something that's beneficial for you. Today, Strike Hold, a cleaner lubricant protection for all metals. And it's made in the USA. You guys know how much I love that. What is Strike Hold, you ask? Well, Strike Hold is a fast-acting, penetrating compound that cuts through dirt, rust, and corrosion quickly, getting into metal parts that have become frozen or encrusted. Strike Hold provides a long-lasting dry lubricant which reduces friction, helps dry out wet electrical gears and other water-sensitive parts, and will actually improve electrical performance by cleaning and protecting contacts and internal parts, including circuitry and connections. Strike Hold protects by providing a shield-like film against the effects of moisture and corrosion, even against salt water, while repelling sand, dirt, and dust. So if you watch my installation video of that headlight right there, and I know what you're thinking, how much mileage can one man get out of a headlight? A $70 headlight? Well, a lot, apparently. Link is in the description on that headlight. But also, the link will be in the description on this Strike Hold. And here's the best part. OMG Nation, Strike Hold is a new channel partner. You can use code OMG10 for a discount. I'm gonna link that below. Let's put that code about right here. It comes in this aerosol can, or it comes in this right here as well. There's several different types. There's a marine Strike Hold as well. Click the link, follow it, look around their website. Be sure and use OMG10. Let them know OMG Moto Ryan sent you. Back to the headlight. If you recall, right down here at the bottom of this headlight, when I took out the old headlight, there was rust. So my guys at Strike Hold sent me out this cleaner to help remove that rust. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna take this headlight back off once again and clean it up. Let's get to it. I'm gonna take this off real quick. I almost forgot my trusty little rags here. Okay, here's how rough it looked in here. You can see all the rust inside of this housing right down in here, back over that direction. I'm going to use the spray trigger bottle for this. Let's break some of this up first with this little wire brush I have. That did not do a whole lot right there. Okay, I didn't even let it sit very long. Literally, I sprayed it on there and started cleaning it off. And it's taking 90% of that rust out of there. So this time I'm gonna give this about 5 minutes. All right, so it's been about 5 minutes. Guys, you're not gonna believe this. I say it got 90, if it's not 100%, it's the closest you can get to 100% of all the rust away. There's a little pitting in there, it looks like where the rust was eating into the aluminum, but check this out. I mean, it got everything up. I'm gonna spray it back in there too and clean all that up as well. I'm blown away. Not only does it do what it say that it does, but it's made right here in America. In a time where we need to be purchasing made in America products, Strikehold reached out to the OMG, became a channel partner. You can use OMG10. One more time, we'll put it right there. Man, guys, get you some of this, okay? Check it. Golly, hold on, hey, let me spray the rest of it because I'm excited just to see how it cleans it up. Oh, it cleaned it up pretty good. It cleaned it up real good. Man. Again, I use this Strikehold cleaner, lubricant protectant for all metals. 16-ounce spray trigger bottle, made right in the USA. And I also have this aerosol can. That is looking absolutely fantastic in there. All that rust is out of there. Every single bit of it. I noticed right before I put this ring back on that there was a little bit of rust right here. So I'm going to hit it with the Strikehold. This time I'm going to hit it with an aerosol can. You give it a good shake. It has a little plastic tube right here. So if you need to get in a tight spot. Man, guys, this stuff will absolutely lubricate and clean anything. And I suggest you go on their website and see what you can use it on in your garage. I mean, look at that, guys. It took that rust spot away completely. That one too, right there. There was one there, there was one there. There's still a little pitting where the rust was eating into the metal. Look at that one. That was the big one. So I gotta hit it one more time, just let it soak just a little bit on that one. That one needs a little bit more attention. That one right there needs just a tad bit of attention. Look at this. 100% of the rust is gone. 100% of the rust. Like I said, there's a little bit of pitting where the rust was. Cleaned it all up on everything. So here are my tools for the job. I needed something which I used very cautiously, but my Phillips head screwdriver, a rag to wipe it loose. I have the Strikehold in the spray trigger bottle, the aerosol can, a little brush to put a little scrape in, a little elbow grease and kind of dig some of that rust out of there once the Strikehold loosened it up, and then a buffing rag. Guys, I got to kind of go back over the Blue Ghost one more time, but I'm thinking about trying it right here as well because this thing is a little funky. Let me do that, see what it looks like. Maybe on this side too, just see what it does to that little bit of corrosion right there. All right, let me spray some right here on this corrosion. Let me give it a few minutes to sit. I'm gonna hit this side as well. I'm gonna get some down here too, guys. Be real careful not to get it on my rotors. Okay, it's been just a couple of minutes. Gotta be careful. Don't want to scratch the blue ghost. Guys, look at that right there. And just for the people that are freaking out about their wire brush on this aluminum, I didn't really push on it that hard. I was just trying to dig into the surface level stuff and dig into this stuff. But I've got a Brillo pad, the fine Brillo pad that you can actually use on chrome. And I'm going to go back over all of this and make sure. I mean, it didn't really, I don't see any scratches. It did not put any scratches on here. But man, look at that. That cleaned the forks up too. Woo! I'm going to go crazy on the Blue Ghost with this strike hold. I'm pumped, guys. I am absolutely thrilled to have Strike Hold as a new channel partner on OMG Moto. Guys, OMG 10, use it as many times as you want. It'll get you a discount. I'm gonna put it right there somewhere, here, wherever I have room. The link will be down in the description to the website. I decided to go back over this one more time with the Strike Hold and let it sit a little bit longer. And then I took it and kind of rubbed it in. Look at this, guys. Absolutely removed all of the crud that was on my aluminum forks. Look how shiny they look now. All the way down. Man, I am pumped about this. American made product, made right here in the USA. Look at that. It took all the funk off of those aluminum forks. Look how good they look. It's like night and day. It's like I waxed them and had them buffed or something. All I did was spray the Strike Hold on them. Look at that. And then rubbed it out. OMG 10, guys. It's a discount code. Use it as much as you want. Link will be in the description. I'm a huge fan of this stuff. I try to put stuff on this channel that'll be beneficial to you guys. I get a lot of emails and I get a lot of direct messages via Instagram of people wanting me to test their products and do a review on their product. And I pick and choose on what I actually bring to you guys on this channel. And when Strike Hold reached out to me, after I read everything on their website and then I did a YouTube search, I said, let me give these guys a shot. And I'm absolutely glad that I did. OMG Nation, hit the like button. Please consider subscribing to this channel and share my content with a like-minded motorcycle enthusiast like yourself, because I am just under 100 subscribers to my first, actually it's my second goal. My first goal was 1,000 subscribers. This is my second goal of 5,000 subscribers, guys. I am this close. Let me put my little card right there. All we gotta do is shade it in to get to that 5,000 subscribers. If you like motorcycle content like this, a little bit of everything what I do on this channel, I'm gonna put a video right here where you guys can go take a look at it. OMG Nation, keep it old school. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Stall.
So guys, if you haven't watched the focus, then that won't be.
Say bye, Hardy.
Bye, Hardy.
this is recorded, by the way.
I didn't think it wasn't recorded.
Okay. Just checking.